Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show smart sidebar or panel setting and floating window on Smart 9. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.